Okay, that's a piece of corrugated styrofoam with foil that was accidentally flipped. And I just wanted to see how the sky laser works with the glare on that. Of course, I can't see what the uh, camera can see, but I'm going to try to get a little angle here and see if there's any kind of weird stuff going on. This lasered sun, it's so bright, it's so painfully bright. Even the glass blocks that I landscaped with are reflecting. So I'm just trying to protect myself, holding my hand here over my eyes, and I guess I'll just go like this and you can see me, or you can see me now anyway. So trying to wear dark sunglasses. These are prescription. These have real glass lenses and plastic frames as opposed to metal frames, and that's like really weird. This lasered sun, I believe it's the Dragonfire UK laser, because somebody posted it on Facebook. It was just like perfectly coordinating with the fact that they place them on heliports and now on ships, in the air, and on roofs, on land. I see a little red dot in front of my eyes, and I already turned around. See how painful that is? All right, so I'm going to go back inside now here and see what I can or cannot see. I see something red through my, oh, I can't believe it. I see something that's coming from up there, maybe a local heliport, because I have the shawl over my eyes and it's like refracting into like a seeable. Anyway, so I'm going back inside now, and I did some new cartoons today I think you'll really, really like. I have the, I have the new cartoon about the invention of the wheel, and they're called the Wheel Deal, and another one with the map of Australia and the map of the US, one on top of itself here that I got from the internet. So I'll let you look at this cartoon here. All right, that's the size of the, yeah, let me get out of the glare. Talk about glare, that piece of foil styrofoam, very glary. Here, who's the next Australia? So that's a map of Australia in blue, superimposed on the map of the USA in red. And then we have Tasmania is there, and I didn't put New Zealand in, but I have the flags, and that is not colored in yet. 5G, LED, Wi-Fi, LiDAR, radar, laser, and ESD, which is electric shock drowning. And then up here I have smart meters, cell towers, chemtrails, SpaceX, and SRM, which is solar radiation management, which is the what you're seeing here with the glare. And they're saying it's for preventing global warming, and it's not, it's causing it. So that's about it for now.